Hi, I'm Miss Francy. I'm the 3-year-old teacher, and we are going to be making a craft today that we are going to put on our family tree here at the preschool. We would like your mommy and daddy and your brothers and sisters to all do one handprint. So you're going to put your hand on the paper and you will trace your hand. It does not have to be perfect. Tracing the hand. Then you will cut it out. Everyone's handprint needs to be cut out. And then once you cut it out, use anything that you have. You can use pom-poms, you can use crayons, markers, feathers. I like glitter, you can use glitter. Or you can use anything. You can use stickers. If you want to use stickers, you can use stickers. And this is my handprint that is cut out and decorated. And this will go on our family tree. And we will be sending home supplies that you can come by the church and pick up. You will be getting an email about that. And I hope you have fun doing it.
Good morning. This is something we usually set up in the classroom, but you can easily do it at home. I took an orange carton or a milk carton or anything. It doesn't have to be anything big, but it's a lot more fun if it's something big. You take the rock salt and you sprinkle it on. Wonder what that rock salt is going to do to your eyes. What do you think is going to happen to your eyes with this rock salt? What's happening to mine? It's melting. It's melting the ice. And this is the rock salt you use. And if you look closely, you can see that there's starting to be cracks in the ice. Sometimes it takes a little while. I did some of this a little bit earlier. You've got your primary colors, yellow and red and blue. If you want to use a dropper, you squeeze it first, stick it in the liquid, and it comes up, and then you can squirt it in your ice. Squeeze, stick it in the liquid, it comes up, and you can squirt it in your ice. Now, what color is this? This is blue. Wonder what would happen if we put yellow in with the blue. Let's see if there are any different colors. Are there cracks on that side? There are lots of good cracks on this side. And we'll try the red over here on the milk jug. I'm going to turn this around. Again, you squeeze it, then stick it in the liquid, and it comes up. I'm just doing a little bit, but you can do more. Is it going down the cracks? Again, this is something we would do in our classroom, but you can do it at home. Let's try the yellow and see what happens. If it makes any different colors. So we're putting a packet of the rock salt in, but if you want more to use, this is what we used. You can also try, see what happens when you freeze stuff and set it out in the sun. Does it melt faster? How does it melt? Does it melt with these cracks when you melt it in the sun? Anyway, I hope you have fun.
Hello, it's Mrs. Sims again, and I'm here with Miss Dottie, and we are going to show you our art activity for the pre-K class. And it goes along with our book, Creation by Cynthia Rylant. So we're going to make a day sky with what's in the day sky? A sun. And we're going to make a night sky with, what's in the night sky? The moon. And so we're just going to give you some examples of how this will work. So to make a day sky, the sky we usually think of as being blue, right? So we have some blue paint for you. And I'm going to put some of this blue paint in my little cup right here. Now, you don't want a lot of blue because in the daytime, the blue is nice and light. And the way to make your blue light is to add some white. So you've got some white in your cup, and you're gonna wanna take about half of that white and add it to the blue, like this. Yeah, about a little bit more. So do you see that? See, we've got some blue and some white, and then you've got a sponge. We're gonna take that sponge and we're gonna mix it up. Stir, 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 just like those little mouse. Put their feet in there, and look what happened. Look what happened. The white turned the blue a different shade, we call that. And we can call this a tint. So it is a tint of blue. You're gonna take your sponge and you are just gonna sponge all over. Now, boys and girls, this is gonna take you a few minutes. So you might wanna just sing while you paint. So I thought I might sing, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, bumping up and down in my little red wagon, won't you be my darling? You know what happened to my wagon? Oh, one of the wheels fell off. One wheel's off and the axle's broken, one wheel's off and the axle's broken, one wheel's off and the axle's broken, won't you be my darling? So, I'm gonna fix it. Actually, I'm only 4. I probably can't fix it by myself. I'm gonna get Papa. Papa's gonna fix it with his pliers. Papa's gonna fix it with his pliers. Papa's gonna fix it with his pliers. Won't you be my darling? Okay, so boys and girls, like I said, it's gonna take you a few minutes. So just pretend like I finished my day sky. And it was nice and light blue all over. And now I'm going to move my day sky right over here. Actually, I can just, I'll just put it right here. And I'm going to slide this tray to Miss Dottie, and she is going to work on our night sky. So, she's going to use the blue that I had. Do you want my sponge?
Oh, I could use your
sponge. You could use my sponge. But she's going to add something else to make it dark like the night. We have these colors over here. You have these colors in your packet. Which one do you think you should add? I think you're right, black. Let's add black. Now, should you add a lot of black? Look how dark black is. To make a dark tint with black, you only need a little bit. So I would say, add a drop or two. Fiddle-I-fee. Fiddle-I-fee. Okay, so we're gonna add a drop of 2 or this black, because black is dark. And you only want to put in a little bit at a time, because if you put in way too much, then it's always dark and you won't have enough white or blue to make it the right color. So what do you think? Was that enough?
Maybe a touch more?
Yeah, let's add a little bit more and see what happens. I don't know. What do you think? Is that very light color? Not quite. Let's add a little bit more. How about that?
Okay.
Okay,
That looks good.
so that's kind of dark like the sky when you go outside. So, what shall we sing? How about Bought Me a Cat? You might know this song, but you might not. It might be a new one to you. It's pretty silly. I bought me a cat. The cat pleased me. I fed my cat under yonder tree. The cat said, fiddle-I-fee. Fiddle-I-fee. Usually cats say meow, not this cat. So I bought me a pig pleased me. I fed my pig under yonder tree. The pig said nope. The pig said oink, oink. The cat said fiddle-I-fee, fiddle-I-fee. Well, I bought me a horse. The horse pleased me. I fed my horse under yonder tree. The horse said, "Nay, nay." The cat said, "Fiddle-I-fee, fiddle-I-fee." So there we go. We have a night sky. Okay? All right, so now we need to put some things in our skies. So we're gonna lift this night sky. Could we just put it right there? All right, let's put that there. And you know what? I'm gonna scoot over your supplies and I'm gonna put my day sky here. And so, what goes in the day sky? Yes, the sunshine. So we are gonna make a sunshine. So you want to run to the sink, wash out your sponge so all of that night sky is out of your sponge and it's nice and clean. All right, so we've got a sunshine. What color should our sunshine be? You've got blue, white, black, orange, and yellow. Well, I think if you start out with orange and color all of your sun orange, we will do something special to it on top with the yellow. And actually, I'm not going to use this one because it's going to go home with you. So, we can, I have a little tray over here. You have a cup. You might want to go wash your cup out when you wash out your sponge as well. So you have somewhere to put your orange. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of orange here. All right, that's probably enough. And here we go. We're going to paint our orange, our sun, the whole sun circle orange. All right, so here we go. It's all turning orange. Let's see. I know what I can sing while I paint. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. All right, that was perfect. Perfect timing. Okay, so, and yes, there's orange paint on my finger, but you know what? It washes off, so that's not a problem. Now, how can we get the yellow on top? Well, in your bag, you'll have a clothespin with a string on it. This is for painting. This is so much fun. And it's nice and long, and look, it slings. So you want to be kind of careful. And you're going to take your yellow paint. See if I can get this one open. All right, you're going to take your string. Let's see if you can see this. And you're going to put it down in the paint and get it down in there.
And in your bag, you have a popsicle stick, Mrs. Sims. They'll have a popsicle stick that can kind of stir
and you
their...
can help, yes, exactly. You can help stir it up. Thank you, Miss Dottie. I needed that. Thank you. All right, so when you've got some paint on your string, you can put it on your sun. Look at there. You can just put all kinds of designs. And so, once you run out of paint, you just dip it again. Woo, look, it's so wiggly. It's kind of hard to get it to go where you want it to go. Now we've got it in there. And you just dip some more. And that makes you a nice, hot, sunshiny, fiery sun. So that is fun. I hope you enjoy doing that. All right, so that's our day sky. Then you will take your sun and put it in your day sky. So that is the day. God created the day and the night. And here's our day. And Miss Dottie's going to make our night. Yes. Would you like to tell them what this is?
Okay, you'll have a sheet of aluminum foil in your packet. It's nice and flat. But to make the moon, because the moon has all these craters and all these shadows on it when you look at the moon, you're going to ball up your aluminum foil. Now, when we look at the moon, sometimes it's kind of white, but it's also a little bit gray. So we're going to have some white.
Okay.
Oh, did we not bring them?
We can have
did
white.
bring some
Yes, we have some white.
So you squirt the
How
white,
much do you want?
just a little bit.
That's good.
Yeah. And it just takes just a little bit of the black. Let's get the black. Oh, is that what you do?
Mm-hmm.
So just a little touch. I'm going to use the sponge to kind of stir this up. Oh, you know what? I may have added too much. Maybe not. And you take your aluminum foil
might need
You
even
may need
more
more,
paint.
'cause
Yes, so you'll
it
need
kind
to
of soaks
use
it up.
all that's in your little cup there. You might need to add some black as
Just a
well.
little bit more black.
All right. And you're gonna paint with aluminum foil.
And you just kind of,
Crazy.
it's crazy world.
It is.
It's crazy fun in pre-K with
It
art.
is crazy fun. So what can I sing while you do the movie? How about Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star?
That's perfect.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. You know what, Miss Dottie? I love this moon. You know what? I can see where your paint didn't get mixed all correctly up, and you have dark places, and you have places that the paint didn't touch, so it's white. I love that you have white, gray, and dark gray. I think that really, really does look like the moon.
Thank you.
Excellent job.
Okay. So then you take your moon and you set it in the night sky.
And there you have
The day and
the
night.
night. Thank you.